In today's video, I'm going to show you how to blur photo background on Canva. So first things I open a design on Canva. It's you can open any ratio, any pixel. Don't worry. Now I import a element from here. So this one. So first things I need to select this image. Now going on edit. Now again click on this option. It's called like magic graph. Then select this omen, then click on graph. Okay, once you have done it, you need to select second image, the background. Okay, that's good. Now click on the edit option again, then scroll down, you can see effect, just select blur whole image, then again intensity. Wow, you can see it's blur. I keep it 50%. Okay, that's good. Now just go back and keep it on here. That's good. You can see it's working. Now your work is only download this image as a PNG, JPG, whatever you want. That's it. If I open this image in my computer right now, you can see maybe it's working. So I'm trying to open. Wow, actually it's working right now. You can see. So this is method how you can blur image background on Canva. So if you found this video helpful for you, make sure you like subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.